What does a car accident lawyer do? The main responsible of lawyer. If you've ever been in a car accident, you know how dire the situation can be. It is not uncommon for someone who has gone through such an experience to battle mental and/or physical effects long after an accident, from physical trauma to emotional stress. This is why it is so important to hire legal counsel in car accidents. Visit this article for details on what does a car accident lawyer do. Some people are unsure how an auto accident attorney can assist them if they are injured or lose their job due to a collision. However, it goes without saying that attorneys' primary goal is to assist their clients in obtaining compensation for expenses and damages such as auto repairs, medical bills and distress, among others. But what do auto accident lawyers really do? This article covers what does a car accident lawyer do and what law firms can do for injured motorists and their families. What does a car accident lawyer do? Analyze your auto accident claim. You may not be sure if you have enough grounds to sue after an auto accident. About what does a car accident lawyer do? Personal injury lawyers often offer a free case assessment service to help you decide whether to sue. During this free session, you'll talk to your accident attorney and they'll ask you some questions. Next on What Does a Car Accident Lawyer Do? A lawyer will give you some legal advice and let you know if they believe you have a compelling argument. You should discuss your attorney's experience handling vehicle accidents in this discussion. A knowledgeable auto accident attorney will be able to deal with auto insurance providers and unique factual samples related to auto accidents. You should make it a priority to seek medical attention if you are injured in an auto accident through no fault of your own. The next smart move is to talk to an attorney as soon as possible. Your state may have a statute of limitations that limits how long you must pursue a personal injury claim for auto accident damage. You can maintain the ability to make a claim by contacting an attorney as soon as possible. You will be relieved to know that the majority of personal injury attorneys offer free advice and accept payment on a contingency fee basis if legal representation costs are an issue. Instead of charging by the hour, an attorney who accepts contingency fees will take a cut of the payment or award you receive. Many auto accident victims find comfort in knowing that their attorney cares about the progress of their case. Before hiring an attorney, you should find out how they charge. Compile evidence. Your attorney will gather as much information as they can following an automobile accident. Your attorney will start by interviewing you about the collision in order to acquire a general understanding of what transpired. Then they will gather proof from a range of sources, such as medical bills and documents. After an auto accident, you may discover that your medical expenses add up quickly. What does a car accident lawyer do next? Your attorney will ask for both copies of these bills and your medical records. These records are proof of the damage you suffered in an auto accident. Medical records may be collected over a long period of time, depending on the healthcare provider. Before the medical provider responds, your attorney's legal team may need to submit several requests. You can temporarily focus on recovering from the accident. Police report. Before leaving the scene of the accident, the police will check to make sure everyone is okay. When that happens, they may have to reroute traffic, take pictures, and possibly issue citations. The people involved in the collision, the time and place of the incident, and the description of bodily injuries will all be included in the police report they prepared before leaving. A comment on what they think caused the problem will probably also be included in the report. This document can be used by your attorney to determine who initiated the collision. Accident scene reconstruction. What does a car accident lawyer do? Experts use the crash scene reconstruction tool to reconstruct a crash by examining vehicle damage, slip patterns, and other factors. Other data. If there is not enough evidence to support an important aspect of your case, your auto accident attorney may decide that a reconstruction of the accident scene is necessary. For example, if you and the other party disagree about the speed at which you are traveling, reconstructing the accident can help prove this fact more convincingly. Photos from the collision. Any pictures you or other witnesses may have taken of the incident will be examined by your attorney. Because they show the location of vehicles, weather, time of day, and other environmental variables, photographs are vital evidence in cases involving auto accidents.